Why did Mark Twain write this quote about statistics? To answer this question, we can research the phrase how statistics can lie. Statistics can be used to mislead people. Misleading statistics are created when a fault, deliberate or not, is present in one of the three aspects of research. Collecting. Using small sample sizes that project big numbers but have little statistical significance is a problem. Organizing. Omitting findings that contradict the point the researcher is trying to prove. Also, presenting. Manipulating visual numerical data to influence perception. Now provide two examples of sampling techniques. There's random sampling, where you sample anyone. There's stratified sampling, where we sample people from different types of neighborhoods. And then there's volunteer sampling, where we sample people who volunteer to do so. Is the Canadian census mandatory? What are the pros and cons of this policy? Yes, it is currently mandatory. The advantage is that you'll get more accurate information from people, which will inform policy making. The con is that forcing people to do something is pushy. What is the unemployment rate for residents of BC, Canada? This rate fluctuates, but we'll call this the U3 official unemployment rate, is perhaps around 5% at this time. What is the U6 unemployment rate? The U6 unemployment rate includes discouraged workers and all other marginally attached workers. This rate may be almost double the U3 official unemployment rate. What does it mean that the median household income in BC is $90,000? It means that 50% of families make less and 50% of families make more than this amount. Floyd Mayweather made $285 million in the year 2018. If there are 10 boxers at Floyd's gym, estimate the average salary of each boxer. We estimate $28.5 million because we take the amount $285 million and we divide by 10. We'll assume the other boxers are making nothing. The median salary, the middle person, would make zero, nothing, whereas the average seems high. Let's research a career online by searching for PayScale Canada along with a career that you're interested in. For example, let's search for electrician. Searching for PayScale Canada electrician, we find that perhaps the typical median electrician is making $31 per hour. A beginner electrician might make $18, and on the higher end, perhaps over $40 per hour. We can see that as the years pass, an electrician might make more. Now, perhaps this hourly wage is for working for someone else. If you work for yourself, you can make a lot more per hour, although there might be some overhead fees. How can you succeed in your profession of choice? Do what you're good at and enjoy. In statistics, describe 2 good sampling principles to improve your survey accuracy. Make sure your sample size is not too small, and ask clear questions. Finally, what is misleading about the following chart? It looks like there are less than half the number of cats as compared to dogs, but there are more. There are missing numbers on the y-axis. We jump from 0 to this huge amount, 3, 4, 5, 6, what happened to 1 and 2? So this chart is misleading.